The Lynx XM30 is one of the most advanced combat vehicles currently being developed, and it offers a fascinating glimpse into the future of armored warfare. Built for the U.S. Army's XM30 Combat Vehicle program, previously known as the Optionally Manned Fighting Vehicle program, this next-generation platform is designed to replace older systems with something far more capable, adaptable, and survivable. What makes the Lynx XM30 stand out is the impressive team behind it. Known as Team Lynx, the project brings together expertise from American Rheinmetall Vehicles, Textron Systems, RTX, L3 Harris Technologies, Allison Transmission, and Endural Industries. Each company contributes specialized technology, resulting in a vehicle engineered to meet the demands of modern and future battlefields. One of the most striking features is its advanced U.S.-designed uncrewed 50mm turret. This powerful weapon system provides significant firepower while helping keep the crew protected inside the vehicle. It's a design choice that reflects a growing emphasis on maximizing combat effectiveness without unnecessarily exposing soldiers to danger. The Lynx XM30 also introduces an innovative two-soldier crew concept. Thanks to its modular design and open systems architecture, many tasks can be streamlined through advanced technologies that reduce both the physical and cognitive workload on the operators. This allows the crew to focus more on making critical decisions and carrying out their mission effectively. Beneath all that technology is a highly mobile chassis built to handle challenging terrain while maintaining speed and maneuverability. Whether navigating rough landscapes or rapidly repositioning on the battlefield, the vehicle is designed to perform in demanding conditions. Integrated protection systems further enhance survivability, giving the crew an added layer of confidence in high-threat environments. The overall goal behind the Lynx XM30 is not just to address today's challenges, but to prepare for the threats of tomorrow. Its flexible architecture allows for future upgrades and new capabilities as technology continues to evolve. In many ways, it represents a shift towards smarter, safer, and more adaptable combat platforms. The Lynx XM30 is a powerful example of how military technology is advancing to meet the changing realities of modern warfare. As development continues, it will be interesting to see how this next-generation vehicle shapes the future of armored combat. What are your thoughts on the Lynx XM30? Which feature impressed you the most? The uncrewed turret, the two-person crew concept, or its focus on future adaptability? Share your opinions in the comments,